This is one of Levi's favorites. We take graham cracker and we dip it in yogurt. Is that good? Is that good, buddy? What do you think? Mmm. Yeah, that's the camera.
No.
Let's get a close-up of your handsome face. Mmm. Oh, yogurt on the nose. Hi, sweet baby. Hi. What are you? See the camera? You want to see? Look. What do you think of yourself, huh? Uh-huh. Say, hi, Levi. You wait. Hi, Levi. Okay, back to snack. You say bye-bye. You blow a kiss. Mwah. Mwah.
Mom.
Say bye-bye.